My name is Greg Burns with Burns Machinery. We're in northern Nevada, Minden. We have been around a long time, 42 years in business. About 11 years ago, we got into laser cutting for one of our product lines, and we've got flatbed lasers, and a lot of our work has been leading us into tube laser work, and we've had to farm some of that work out, and the lead times are crazy, the prices seem overpriced, and so we decided to make the investment, and we did a lot of research. We researched a lot of tube lasers, spent 2 years searching, trying to find the best tube laser, and this is what we ended up with, the Bodor laser. We are very, very happy. It is the most intuitive software. My guys, I've got 2 guys that are very well trained that can pretty much load and get a job cutting quickly. We also manufacture nitrogen generators. The nitrogen that these machines consume, N2 is my other company. And so we also need tube work. We need tubing that goes into the structure on our nitrogen generators. So that's one of the reasons we purchased a tube laser, and it's nothing but great experience with Bodor people. Very available. Anytime we have questions, we can't quite figure out something, they're very quick to respond, and very talented people. So I appreciate the opportunity to work with Bodor.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.